Hello guys, welcome to our next video. In this video we are going to talk about how to use Gitignore. So as you remember, we have a repo 3 and right now we are in main branch, right? So let me just create one file. Let's say I create a another text file, text demo. So I created this file. If I goes out and just click on commit, I can see this file here. So the status is unknown and this file is added. So let's say let me just make changes and save that, and let me just commit that. So test demo file added. So I check that, so commit. So this gonna add the file to the system, right? So if I just show log, I can see the file here, right? So let's say I create another file, new text file. Let's say text log. So this is a log file I created, and let's say I don't if I want to create that, I don't want to see this file here. So what I can do, I can just right click from here and see add to ignore list. So let me just add that. So see, okay, so the file get gone and we have another file, that is Gitignore. So the Gitignore file get created, and that's say you need to ignore the textlog.txt file. Okay, so if I just comment that git Gitignore file created, added, and check that, comment and push that. So I create and push that Gitignore file. So if you check that, there's no tick mark here, because if I see in the server, there's only two files, test and test demo, but there's no test log file there, right? And that's how we can ignore any file in the system. Let me just create another folder, node module. Let's say I created this folder and I create a new file here. Let me create another file. So I created 3 files. So instead of selecting one by one, what I can do, if I just first show you the 3 files are coming here, but I don't want that. So I want to ignore those 3 files. I want to ignore all the files inside this folder. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a Gitignore from here. So add to Gitignore node modules. Okay, so this is gonna do what? If I just comment that, see, there's no file coming. It's just added a Gitignore here / node modules. So whatever you do inside the node modules, whatever file you added inside the node modules, it's not get reflected in the commit section. So added node modules in ignore. So if I just comment and push that, so it's get reflected. Now let's say inside this file you don't want this test demo. I mean, you just added this and comment that, but you right now you don't want this file. You don't want this file in your commit. So what you can do, but you want this in your local, but you don't want this to be pushed into the server. So what you can do, you just right click on the file and 1 minute, let me just show you what's the condition right now. If I just refresh that, see only the test demo, Gitignore and readme file here, those four. So let me just ignore this file. So what I can do, just delete and add to ignore file. So I do this and keep file locally. Yes. Okay. So it's get removed from my local system. In my commits system. So see, it's showing it's get deleted. But if you see my local system, it's there, but it's showing it's get deleted. And in the Gitignore, it's get added. So as I remove this, so I need to commit delete test demo, and let me just commit that up and push that. So if you check in the system, there's no test demo here, but if you check that, it's in my local system. So that's how you can add multiple files in the Gitignore file. Okay, that's it guys, thanks.